morning, children. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. I'm fine. You. Yes, where are you all?
Thank you.
Yes, 1 minute. I'm trying to admit everybody. Ma'am, is it big screen gone?
How are you?
I'm fine, children.
Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
No, it's good morning now. Who said good afternoon now? Good morning.
Morning.
Everybody, let's sing that song. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. I'm fine, thanks. Hello, hello, hello. I'm glad to be with you. With you and you and you and you and you and you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Yes. Okay, good morning, children. Let's start a session with a prayer. Join your hands, everyone. Close your eyes. Rishikesh, Kevin, and Asha, please turn on your video. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Bless all the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are treating them. Bless and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everyone. Rishikesh, can you turn on your video? Is there a problem with your... Please turn on your video. Yes. Rishikesh, yesterday you sent me something. My ma'am's phone was having a trouble. Okay. I couldn't see the video. I saw it in the morning and it was nice. Okay, Rishikesh. Hope you're hearing me. Yes? Okay. So all my children, let's start our session with a small song. What is that? Everybody put your hands like this. One on top of the other. Let's sing this song. Okay, listen to that. Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Okay, Deva Vinod Kumar, sit properly. One more time. Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Rolly Polly, down, down, down. Rolly Polly, to your right side. Rolly Polly, to your left side. Let's sing together. Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Rolly Polly, down, down, down. Rolly Polly, to your right side. Rolly Polly, to your left side. Okay, is Jennifer there? Where are their children? Here's Giovannia, Dia. Okay. So children, let's do one more time. Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Rolly Polly, down, down, down. Rolly Polly, to your right side. Rolly Polly, to your left side. Okay, let's sing the Peace Porridge Hot, everyone. Sing. Peace Porridge Hot, peace porridge cold, peace porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Loudly, sing loudly. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old, 9 days old, 9 days old. Okay, parents, I would request you to give me two things. One is the new second term Max Square notebook. Okay, the Max Square notebook, the new one for the second term. Okay, and also I would request you to take the workbook. That is second term workbook. It is all in one book. Okay, it's a workbook. Able Sony, Please tell your papa to get that. Everybody, the second term workbook that has got everything together. English, math, EVS, everything in this book. So please take that workbook and keep it ready within to the side of your child, and also the math square notebook. So meanwhile, your parents are taking that. So children, can we all sing that song, ABCD song? Sing that everybody loudly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you ABC. Yes? Okay. Now, Nancy ma'am will share you the screen. Okay. And today we are going to learn the number names. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn the number names. Okay. Okay, let's learn the number names. Now give me the spelling of 1. What is the number name spelling of 1? Repeat after me, okay? O, N, E, 1. What's the number name? O, N, E, 1. So give me the spelling of 2. T, W, O, 2. What's it? T, W, O, 2. Everybody repeat after me. Give me the spelling of 1 now. O, N, E, 1. Give me the spelling of 2. T, W, O, 2. Okay, now what I will do is I share you my screen. First watch. Then you can write. Okay? Okay? Ready everyone? Okay. So, okay, let's write here the number name. Okay? See here. O, N, E, 1. Before that, I would like to show you little bigger. Okay? Okay, let everybody watch how to write ONE1. See here. O, okay? N should be small and E should be of the same size. E dash 1. How do we write 1? Look here. O, N, E, 1. Okay? So what's the spelling of 2? See here, what's the spelling of 2? Let's see what's the spelling of 2. Okay? T, W, O, 2. Okay? T, W, O, 2. Okay? Now I will show you in the math notebook how to write inside the line. Watch carefully. Okay, watch carefully. When you are writing in the notebook, you have to write the date first. Sorry, it is 26 and 9. Okay, and here we are going to write the number name. See, O, N, E, dash 1. See children, all these letters are sitting inside that line. It is not coming after that. See, are you all sitting in the chair? Same way, the letters also have to sit in the chair there. And leave a line. Don't write in this box. And then leave a line and then continue writing. O, N, E, 1. See? O, N, E, 1. O, N E 1 ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞു എഴുതണം. Okay, shall we do it together? What I will do is I'm clearing my board. So parents, please give your children the Max Square notebook. Everybody, show me your Math Square notebook. New notebook. Parents, please take a new notebook. Math Square notebook, yes. And don't tell them not to write in the first page. Go to this page. Okay, and here you can give them the date. Okay. Okay, and you start writing here ONE1. Everybody. So parents, please instruct them, let them write. Please only write the date or ask your child to write the date. What you train, they will become. So if you train them to write the date, only you need to dictate, they will write. So children, I'm just watching if everybody has taken your book. Then I'll share my screen. Abel Soni, why are you not sitting? Your mummy is ready there. Finished? Yes, shall we write now? Okay, sharing my screen. Everybody write with ma'am. Okay, here we go. Children, please write the date 26/9 and write here ONE1. Let me see how many of you can write fast. Let me see how many of you can write really fast. Diya Deepak, write. Dev Haran, turn on your video. Karthik Krishna, can I see you? Mone monde thala matre kannallo. Camera unna adjust cheyavo. Karthik and mummy. Karthik, mummy, please put the camera a little down. Monde mogam kannannilla. Mudi matre kannannullu. And Karthik's mother, I forgot to tell you, yesterday I had a phone trouble or a trouble on the phone. I couldn't add you. I'll do that today. Okay. Kevin, are you writing one? Parents, please make them write one down. Leave a line and then write ONE1. Leave a line and write ONE1. Leave a line and write ONE1 and complete. Like this. If you have finished, children, you can leave 2 lines. Parents, please ask them to leave, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. ഇതിൽ എഴുതണ്ട. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ask them to write TWO2. ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറയൂ കേട്ടോ. TWO2. Seraphin, write. കുഴപ്പമില്ല മോനെ എഴുതിക്കോ. തെറ്റിയാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. How do you write Seraphin? See, write T. Okay, write W, connect it, adu vidarida ട്ടോ, and make a loop and write 2. Children, everybody give a try. Abel Soni, write. I'm waiting. Aha, what? Right. Jovak Anthony, Dean, very good. Rishikesh, good. Eldana, good. Emmanuel, write fast. Good boy. Joseph, write. Haida, please turn on your video. Akshit, Banulakshna, Dean Farin, Jovak Anthony, Shaiju, Mohammed Shyam. Yes, Joseph Johns, excellent. Excellent writing, I love to see that. TWO2. Write fast. Say and write. If you're my friends, say and write. എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പറഞ്ഞെഴുതും. എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് അല്ലാത്തവരും മിണ്ടാണ്ട് എഴുതും. Say and write. Finished? Yes, Abel Soni, excellent. Yes, Kevin. Good. Karthik, you can see the ceiling. Can you put the camera down? മോനെ കാണുന്നില്ല കാർത്തിക്കിന്റെ മമ്മി. മോന്റെ തല മുടി മാത്രമേ എനിക്ക് കാണാവുള്ളൂ. ക്യാമറ ഒന്ന് ലാപ്ടോപ്പ് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അത് ഒന്ന് താഴേക്ക് ചെരിക്കൂ. അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് കൊച്ചിനെ കാണാം. എനിക്ക് സീലിംഗ് കാണാം, നിങ്ങളുടെ ആസ്ബെസ്റ്റോ ഷീറ്റ് കാണാം. Abel Sony. Yes. Akshit. Rishikesh. Good. Now I can see Karthik Krishna. Write, Karthik, and show me a book. Are you sitting with a phone outside? Is your table and a chair? Eldana, good. Kevin, what is that you're showing me? Your new file? Okay. Mother, good. Children, when you write, make sure that it is sitting on the line. Parakkiridutta letters. It should be on the line. How you sit on the chair, adupole letters should sit on the chair. Parents adu parnu koduthollu ta. Tell them that it is the chair for them. It should not fly. Devharan, please write 2. Mone 1 correct. Good. Please write 2. Leave a line and write Juvania. Mole ellam continuous aanu ezhudiyekane. Juvaniയുടെ മമ്മി അത് മായ്ച്ചിട്ട് മോനോ leave a line and write as like how I showed. It will look neat and nice. Okay, everybody, pencil down, paper down. Parents, please tell them you can write it later. Put it down. Put it down and look at Nancy ma'am. Everybody. Now, as I say the spelling, I want you to repeat after me. Got it? Everybody. Everybody, look at ma'am. Pencil down, paper down. Look at ma'am. Mohammed Shah. Hanna Maria. Look at ma'am. Madhi, the parents, please tell them to look at me when I instruct, because we are working on time. You can make them write after the class also. Yes, put it down. Aida, did you write single letters? Show me your book one more time. You didn't write cursive letters. Wrong. Mottam aichota. Aida's sister, please rub everything. I told them to write in a cursive letter. She has made the print letters. Okay? Write it cursive. Okay. Everybody look at ma'am. Okay. So children, when I say the spelling, I want you to repeat. Ready? O-N-E-1. Say that. O-N-E-1. Imagine this is an air board. Okay, with the magic pen, let's write. Air board. Air board. Okay, magic board. Write everybody. O-N-E-1. I can see what you write. That's magic board. Okay, you write with ma'am. Ready, everybody? I can see. Write, everybody. Show me writing. Your fingers are the magic pens. Write. O. Yes, write N and E. Yes, Kevin. Write O. Abhimanyu, not showing me. N E dash 1. Okay. Now let's write 2. Everybody say and write. T. Ashir say W and O. 2. Let's write T W O. 2. Now all my girls stand up. All my girls stand up. Okay. I'm allowing you to unmute. Only the girls will unmute it and give me the spelling of 1. Girls matram 1 in the spelling parne.
O-N-E-1.
Very good. One more time, give me the spelling of 1. O-N-1. Okay, now give me the spelling of 2. 2 in the spelling parne, girls. T-W-O-2. Very good, Banu Lakshana. Some of you, Eldana also good. Some of you did not unmute your mics. I could not hear. Now, girls, keep your mics muted. Boys, unmute. Boys and the parents, please unmute. Give me the spelling of one. Everybody. Boys will learn one in the spelling bunny. One. Very good. Now give me the spelling of two. E-W-O. Excellent. Okay, thank you. So children, today after the class, you will go teach your father, your mother, your baby the spelling of 1 and 2. Understood? If you have grandmother and grandfather, avareyum padipikkanam. Okay? Yes, you go and teach in the spelling of ONE1 and TWO2. The next class, when I come back, when I ask you the spelling, I'll call you by names. Appo you have to give me the answers. Okay? Now, parents, please give your children the workbook. Okay, please give them the workbook, the first page. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen now. Everybody watch how to write. And parents, you need to make them write only one line of it. After the class, you can make them write the whole thing. But for time being, since we don't have time, I will be showing you once how to join the letters and write. First, I want everybody watched me. Put your pencil down, children. I want you razor down, pencil down, book down, sit straight. I'm sharing my screen, watch my screen, and then when I say write, you can write it in your workbook directly. Okay? So children, let's write. Look here. We are going to write letter A. See how I write. The letters which has to be in the blue line, it has to be in the blue line. The letters which has to touch the papa line, it has to touch the papa line. Yes, they all join hands. Our friends are, they don't leave hands. So see, B, C, D, E, F, G. Look how I write. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let's write one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? Then how do we connect H, I, J, K? Look at the screen. H, I, J, K, L, M, and N. Don't forget to keep two dots here. Nale I and J will be seen correctly. Okay? H, I, J, K, L, M, and N. See how I keep the dots? Now just see how I join O, P, Q, R, S. Okay? O, P, Q, R, S, T. Then see U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? Now my children can start writing. Let's write together. Okay? Let's write together now. Everybody write with Nancy ma'am in your workbook. Parents, make them directly write in the workbook. It's okay if it goes shabby, you can rub it, but don't force them. Let them write on their own. Only one time in one line, please. After class, you can continue writing. Children, write with ma'am. A. Amy, your hand is well. Everybody write with me, ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Emmanuel Shindo finished? Gayatri finished. Banu Lakshana finished. Aida finished. Joseph John's finished. Kevin, did you finish? Devharan, Giovania, Abel, Rishikesh, Akshat, are you writing? Abhimanyu, good. Good, Abhimanyu. Wonderful. Now come on, Abhimanyu, let's write the next one. Everybody, let's write the next one. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Parents, you can tell your children to keep the dots later on, or else they can do it. Children, you can write like this. H, see, I, J comes down, K, L, M, and N. After this, please keep dots. Write only one time and show me. Let me see who is going to write first. Let's write O, P, Q, R, S, T. Sharon, what is happening there? You're not writing? Right, Sharon? Sharon, why are you throwing the razor? I'm coming to your house after the class. Right? Sharon, take your pencil. Hold the pencil. Sharon, hold the pencil. Right now. See, you're not a baby. You're a big boy. You cannot cry. Mummy cannot help. I don't want mummy in my class. I want only you in my class. You're my friend, no? Write neatly. Others. Let's write U now. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Abel, finished? Why are you sitting quietly there? I see you playing with the pencil. Write. I don't see you writing. Write and show me. Abel Soni. Emmanuel Shindo, Dean Farain, Deva Vinod Kumar. Yes, Joseph. Finished? Good. Everybody finished? Okay, I see you, many of you showing the book. Very good. Deva, put it down. Akshit, yes. Madhav, yeah. Continue. So parents now, I think they are writing. Can you please put the books down, ask them to stop. After the class, you can continue. I would like to give them few instructions, please. You can write after the class. Parents, when I say that, please listen. We have only 5 minutes. The next class session children are getting admitted. Yes, we have 5 more minutes to wind up. Before that, I would like to talk to your children. Please tell them to keep your things down and sit there and watch me. Stop writing. Put your books down. Pencil down. Fold your hands. Sit straight and look at me. Okay, listen carefully. Children, I know many of you are troubling your mothers. Okay? When you're writing with the book, I see you write only A, B. Not they will run away to the toilet. After that, you write C, D, then you go for drinking water. Pinnim amma vannattu have to catch you and come back. After that, what you do? You write a little karanya. Then you write. After that, what will happen? You will say, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want some food. Veshkunu varna karayum. Then Amma will bring chore, sambar, everything, and she will start feeding you. And the book ekka sambarum choru okay aayittundavu. After that, what you will see? When you start writing, you will go to the TV hall. TV kandondana palarum ezhudana. Very bad. Very bad. I don't want my children to do that. Okay? No seeing TV, no drinking water, no going to toilet. Do all this before. When you sit for studying, I want you in the table, chair, your books, your pencil, eraser, everything on the table. Parents, I would request you to give a bag. Whatever bag they are having, please give them the bag. After writing, children, listen. All these books, train your children to fold the books, keep it in the bag. Pencil, rubber, put it in the box, close it, keep it in the bag. I know many of you after writing, pencil. I saw Sharon Sharad doing it now. You're writing, throwing the rubber. Writing, throwing the pencil. Very bad, very bad. I don't want naughty children in my class. I want all good children in my class. I know you are all good children. So what you will do, when you're sitting in the table, no drinking water, no going to toilet, no going for watching cartoon, no saying hi bye to grandfather and grandmother. When you're writing, I want you on the table. Many of you, I see you sitting on the bed and writing. Allengil door in the front step. I want you in the table and a chair, sitting there, say and write. I'm coming to your house. Your mummies are my friends. Friends. I'm calling them. I'm calling your mothers. Deva Vinod Kumar, got it? Yes. So, I have a big screen like this. Now, same way, and a screen, and I can see you all do what you're doing. I'm watching. And I'm giving you stars. I'm giving stars. So, if you do naughtiness, if you're not sitting and studying properly, full time but I want you in the seat. If you're doing all this, I will be seeing in the screen, I'll give you a star at the end of this year. And I'll send you all to first standard. First standard. Chichi I'll keep you back in UKG or send you back to LKG. Understood? Yes or no? So after writing, mummy duty alla to keep your books packed in the bag. Amma duty alla ningada books adachu vekka ningada rubber eduthu vekka illa. Amma has her own duties. Amma adakkalile panni edukkunda. That is mummy's duty. She's washing you, she's giving or keeping the house clean. All that is mummy's work. Mummy is doing her job very well. But when you are writing your belongings, I want you to keep everything inside the bag. I'm coming to your house. I'm coming in auto. Got it? So if you're all good children, I'll become your friends. If you're not doing your duty properly, when you're writing, you're running around, you're becoming bad, I'll come to your house and I'll not become your friends. Understood? So how many of you are going to become my friends? Put your hands up. Will you write properly? Will you say and write? Say yes, ma'am, I would like to hear that.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay. So, I want to see that you all behave well. I'm winding up my session now. Write neatly, keep your things neatly. Okay? See you all in the next session. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.